0.30 gram of a substance gives 0.88 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.54 gram of water. Calculate the percentage of carbon and hydrogen in it. Percentage of carbon or hydrogen is equal to mass of carbon or mass of hydrogen divided by total mass times 100. Therefore, we first need to find the mass of carbon and mass of hydrogen. Mass of carbon and mass of hydrogen, if we want to find, we need to know the number of moles of carbon and number of moles of hydrogen. Number of moles of carbon, we can write it as number of moles of CO2 because each carbon dioxide molecule has one carbon. However, we cannot write the number of moles of hydrogen equal to number of moles of H2O because each water molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms, and therefore, whatever the number of moles of H2O that we find, we have to multiply with the 2, and therefore, number of moles of hydrogen is equal to 2 times the number of moles of water. Let us first find the number of moles of carbon. That means, let us find the number of moles of CO2. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. Mass of CO2 here given is 0.88 gram divided by molar mass of CO2 is 44 gram per mole. For carbon it is 12, 2 times oxygen 16, and therefore we got 44, and therefore number of moles of CO2 equal to, let us write this as 88 times 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 44, and that means this is 0.02 moles, and that is equal to number of moles of carbon. Therefore, the mass of carbon is equal to number of moles of carbon times the atomic mass of carbon. Therefore, this is equal to times 12 gram per mole. Therefore, mass of carbon is equal to 0.24 gram. Now, percentage of carbon is equal to 0.24 gram divided by total mass is 0.30 gram times 100. Therefore, this is equal to 24 times 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 0.30 times 100. 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power minus 2. That will cancel out. If we multiply and divide by 10, then this is 240 divided by 3, and therefore, this is equal to 80%. Percentage of carbon is 80%. Let us find the number of moles of H2O. Number of moles of H2O equal to mass, the given mass here is 0.54 gram divided by molar mass of H2O, that is 18 gram per mole. 2 times hydrogen, so 2 times 1 is 2, and then 1 times 16. Therefore, this is equal to 54 times 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 18. So, this is 2 times 9 and this is 6 times 9. Therefore, this is 0.03 moles. Now, we already mentioned that whatever the answer that we get, we have to multiply by 2, and therefore, NH is equal to 2 times 0.03 moles, and that is equal to 0.06 moles. The number of moles of hydrogen is equal to 0.06 moles. Therefore, mass of hydrogen is equal to 0.06 moles times atomic mass of hydrogen. We can just write it as 1 gram per mole, and therefore, mass of hydrogen is equal to 0.06 gram. Therefore, percentage of hydrogen is equal to 0.06 divided by total mass 0.30 times 100. This we can write it as 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 0.30 times 100. This will cancel out. If we multiply and divide by 10, this is 60 divided by 3, and therefore, this is 20%. That means that the original substance that was involved in the combustion is a hydrocarbon, because we are getting 20% hydrogen, 80% carbon, that constitutes 100%. We have no other element, and therefore the original substance is a hydrocarbon.